5 Best Engineered Hardwood Floor Cleaner Reviews. Number 1. Bona Hardwood Floor Premium Spray. If you have kids and pets, it may take you extra effort to keep your floor clean at all times, but with this mop, things are made a little easier for you. If you have a pet too, then you need to step up your game against the untidiness by getting yourself one of these mops. The microfiber mop head alone without a spray cannot get rid of the dried stubborn stains. The spray will soften and loosen the tough stains and make it easy to mop. Spray and leave it for about 50 seconds, and the mop will slide off freely like there is nothing there. We all need a cleaner that will not snap the first instance it gets the chance. This equipment can take the hit and pressure of constant use without succumbing to it. It is strong, sturdy, and durable. Number 2. Shark Navigator Lift Away Professional NV356E. This is an upright vacuum with so much power, but that is also so lightweight. This makes it efficient, effective, and easy to use. It works perfectly on carpets and hardwood floors and known as the best vacuum for hardwood floors and carpet. It is suitable for cleaning stairs and hard-to-reach areas where dirt may be hiding. It is like a jigsaw puzzle that is easy to assemble. You do not need tools to set it up when you take it out of the box for the first time. You can use the manual to follow the simple steps required to assemble it to completion. From there, it would be ready to begin operating and cleaning floors. You simply need to press a button, gently, to lift away to be able to clean the hard-to-reach areas with ease. With this cleaner, your chances of removing all the dust from the house are high. Number 3. Bona Hardwood and Laminate Floor Cleaner Spray. Sometimes you just need the most suitable spray to get rid of that stubborn stain from your floor. This floor cleaner spray works pretty well for different types of floors or floors that constitute different materials. With just a little or a few sprays, it can leave your floor flawlessly clean. If you have unoiled, unwaxed or polyurethane finished wooden floors, it is good to know that this cleaner spray is safe for them all. Unlike many other sprays, this product is not corrosive and would contribute significantly to protecting your floor instead. The fact that it also dries up pretty fast makes it a better option than those that do not. Thanks to its water-based cleaning formulae, this product would clean your floor and dries quickly enough not to allow dust or hair particles to attach to the wet surface. It is residue-free too. Number 4. Black Diamond Stoneworks Wood and Laminate Floor Cleaner. There is more required to achieve excellent floor cleaning than just a spray solution. This cleaner spray contains some of the best cleaning elements and would tackle dirt on any floor. Just a little spray and scrubbing. With just a little spray you get more results with every scrub. It easily lets even the tough stains loose and cleans the surfaces impeccably. The good thing is that the spray is user-friendly and is not harmful to people nor pets. From each cleaning experience, you can get a streak-free clean floor. With its no-rinse hypoallergic formula, this spray makes cleaning easier. The formula also maximizes its general cleaning effect. This is an innovative feature that allows you to get more than just a clean floor from the spray. Number 5. Turbo Microfiber Mop for Hardwood, Laminate and Tile Floor. It is a commercial-grade mop designed to produce maximum results when mopping your floor. The Turbo also makes mopping a lot easier than it usually is and would save you some energy doing the work. It is long enough and provides maximum reach. With this mop, you can achieve the best in a mopping experience, thanks to its high-quality structure. The mop boasts aluminum handle and a wide strong metal head that rotates freely. It swivels without being heavy at all. Though it guarantees a likable outcome, it also ensures a worthwhile process. When choosing the best mop for engineered hardwood floor, you need to consider how easy it is to clean. The mop has to be clean at all times. The fact that this mop is machine washable makes it very easy to maintain and keep clean at all times.